In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up supplemental feeds in Google Merchant Center. Whether you're trying to add additional product information or streamline your product data management, setting up supplemental feeds is an essential step for maximizing your e-commerce potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage these feeds effectively. First things first, you'll want to enable the Advanced Data Source Management add-on. This add-on is crucial as it grants you the ability to manage supplemental feeds efficiently. To do this, navigate to Settings within your Google Merchant Center account. Once there, head on over to Add-ons and make sure the Advanced Data Source Management feature is toggled on. This will unlock the necessary functionalities to build out your supplemental feeds. Once you have this add-on enabled, it's time to access your supplemental feeds. Navigate to the Data Sources section in your account. Here, you'll notice a subsection labeled Supplemental Sources. This is where your journey with supplemental feeds truly begins. Click to open this section, and you'll be greeted with options to add new data. To add a new supplemental product data, click on the option that reads Add Supplemental Product Data. You'll see a prompt to use Google Sheet as your data format for uploading. This method is particularly user-friendly, especially if you're familiar with Google's suite of applications. It allows you to organize your product data neatly and systematically before uploading. Next, it's time to choose your spreadsheet. Opt for the Choose an Existing Spreadsheet to upload your items option, which makes it easy to continue working with the data you've already prepared. Locate and upload your Google Sheet file, and once you're set, simply click on Continue. Now that your spreadsheet is uploaded, the next step is to select the primary feed. The primary feed acts as the main anchor for all your product data in the Merchant Center, so it's crucial to select the appropriate one. Browse through your existing primary feeds and make your selection. With your primary feed set, the next move is to create the data source. This action finalizes the setup of your supplemental feed. Click on Create Data Source to carry this out, effectively linking all the pieces you've put together. Finally, you'll need to manually initiate the first sync of your new supplemental feed. In Google Merchant Center, locate the option to Update and click on it. This step ensures that your supplemental data is pushed through the system right away. Thanks to automated settings, subsequent updates will sync automatically according to your preferences. And there you have it, a fully established supplemental feed in Google Merchant Center. This setup will help streamline your data management, providing your e-commerce business with the detailed product information it needs to reach more customers effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.